Alright guys, I got another video for you today. It's kind of big news. I've made a few videos on my CRF 450R over here, as you can see right there. And well, I got a new bike, and I'm going to show it to you. So here's a big reveal. It's a Honda CBR 600 RR. It's a 2012, and this thing is spotless, guys. It's used. It has 8,300 miles. I'm on trip. Hold up. 8,300 miles. You can see right there. Super clean bike. There's not a scratch on this thing. Has the white wheels. But yeah, I'll try to take a little better shots for you. Yeah guys, so this is the bike. This thing is super clean. There's not a scratch on this thing. I honestly don't know how the previous owner could have these white wheels and keep this thing so clean. 8,300 miles isn't a lot, but to be able to keep everything so clean, it's pretty crazy. But yeah guys, probably be expecting more content. I'm gonna try to set up some motovlogs and stuff on this thing, kind of show you the ownership experience of what it's like. This is actually my my first sport bike, and I've never had a sport bike before. I've ridden dirt bikes for a while, if you guys have followed my channel, but been riding dirt bikes since I was probably 3 years old. And yeah, so it's gonna be a learning experience. I haven't ridden it yet, besides around the parking lot, but at the dealership. But this thing's all stock exhaust. I'm gonna be doing a fender eliminator on it. Maybe an exhaust soon, but well, probably a little later with the exhaust. It's gonna be a little bit more money, but I want to do the fender eliminator, and the only thing that was not stock, I think, is this windscreen. And I don't know if that's the brand of the windscreen or what, but you can probably see it there. Can't tell if you can see it or not, but yeah, I don't know anything about windscreens, so. But yeah guys, stay tuned. I'm probably going to be doing some motovlogs pretty soon, so watch out for that. And go ahead and like and subscribe, and I'll be walking you guys through the ownership experience with this thing. And I'll probably talk a little bit about what it's like to start off on a 600. A lot of people say you should start on a 250 or a 300 or maybe a 500, but I figured I also got a great deal on this bike, is the main reason I got it. I wasn't even going to get one this new, being a beginner bike, but I found a sick deal on it, so. Yeah, I also got this helmet. It's a Scorpion. It's the best one they had there at the dealership, so they didn't have much of a selection there, but this is the best one they had there. I'm sure there's a lot better helmets. Scorpion's kind of, I think it's a name brand, but I don't know. It was about $160, $170, I think. But yeah, I think this is kind of cool. It's got all vents and stuff. The cheek pads are actually really really nice feeling on this thing. It kind of seals it off, and it's actually really quiet in here. It muffles noise pretty well, which is a big deal for highway riding. I'm probably going to use this to commute to school. Go to college about 30 minutes away, so I'm going to save a lot on gas and probably be good. But yeah, there's not much more I can say about it. I'll be doing a first ride soon though, so you guys keep an eye out for that. I'm probably going to talk about insurance costs and stuff like that too, because well, my insurance company was wanting like $260 a month. Well, actually, I go through Shelter, and they wouldn't do full coverage on it because it was so high risk, I guess. And my agent hooked me up with Progressive and tried to find me the best deal he could, and he got me $260 a month is what it was going to be for full coverage. So for now, I just did liability, which is $136 a year, which is a pretty big difference. But yeah, if you guys are interested, just go ahead and hit that subscribe button, and there'll be a lot of videos to come. And yeah, I'll probably do a startup on it and a first ride video for sure. So, well, until next time, guys, keep an eye out for that video. Go ahead and subscribe, like, comment, and I'll see you guys in the next one.